So you built a lot of equity in your home, but you can't access that equity. So now you might be asking the question, should I get a HELOC? That's a home equity line of credit. This can be a powerful financial tool or a disaster if you're not careful. Here are 3 things to know before you open one. Number 1, a HELOC gives you flexible access to your equity. Think of it like a credit card backed by your home. You can borrow, repay, and borrow again as needed. You only pay interest on what you actually use. Most lenders will let you access up to about 75 to 85% of your home's value, of course minus what you already owe. This is especially helpful for things like home renovation, short-term expenses, bridging a down payment, consolidating high-interest debt, assuming that you have a payback plan. Number 2, there are real risks, so you do need a plan. A HELOC is secured by your home, so misuse can get dangerous quickly. Most have a draw period, typically around 10 years, and then a repayment period, at which point your payments could go up significantly. Remember that rates are variable, meaning your monthly payment can increase over time. It can also decrease depending on interest rates. If you default, your home is on the line. This is not free money. It's leverage, but it's collateralized by your home. So only borrow what you clearly can afford to pay back. And number 3, use it as a tool, not a crutch. Here are some ways to be smart with a HELOC. Borrow with a purpose, not for lifestyle upgrades. Avoid maxing it out, building in a buffer. Use it for strategic short-term funding, not long-term spending. And shop around. Check out rates, fees, and repayment terms, which will vary by lender. So is a HELOC a trap or a tool? It is both. It just depends on how you use it. Used wisely, a HELOC gives you access to cash, flexibility, and financial power without needing to refinance. I'm Jordan Bennett with Jordan Bennett & Associates. Like and subscribe for more great real estate tips.